how to use Starling Bank app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can use a Starling Bank app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, if you want to use a Starling Bank app, it's also very simple. Make sure you download the Starling Bank application from your Play Store or your App Store respectively, and then go ahead and then open it up. Once you open the Starling Bank app, you will see this type of interface where you can just tap the Get Started option. Now, before you try to use it, first of all, you have to understand whether you're trying to create a new account or set up as a Kite app, or maybe you're just trying to log in as a returning customer, which I'm assuming most of you are. So if you already have a mobile or online banking, you can go there. Simply make sure to enter your mobile number related or associated with your bank account. Tap the Continue option, and then you'll be able to enter the password or verify the code, and then you'll be successfully logged in. After you log in with the Starling Bank app, you'll be able to send or receive money and make transactions online without having to go to the bank. There will also be other features such as depositing the check, contacting the customer support for any issues, and so on. So hope this video helped you as to how you can use the Starling Bank app. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.